mi pinto pintura pa mostrar o que me dá. Pesquisa malanda querer de mim mesmo e tatasa. Cristóvão não dá o suficiente leva já. Se tá de petróleo dirá bem nada me lugar. Lega mi pinto pintura pa mostrar o que me dá. Pesquisa malanda querer de mim mesmo e tatasa. Cristóvão não dá o suficiente leva já. Se tá de petróleo dirá bem nada me lugar. No. Ei nada me lugar no. A mim mostrar o que me dá no.
Welcome back to the OnBrand Podcast.
Jungle, baby.
Kung saan ka ba kiwega team? Hey. Hey. I like this song, yo. Really like this song. Hey. You like this song, Angel? I like it too. Probably hope this I don't conocer, pero this is Running by Casey Hidiona and Yosien Sigmunatera. It's from an album called Women Power Number 2.
Okay.
Only women, and I think it's fire. Hidiona sigumita yukar so, mita follow her by IG, and she's always like posting her making music, and to one day mabay buskeri ba Spotify, and she got heat.
Okay.
She got heat. Mas tabayan mo mas. Hey! Last the chorus. Hey.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the OnBrand Podcast.
What's up, guys? What's up? My name is Joey. Sorry, I'm on the break, but what's up?
No, when we're back for a brand new episode.
I'll stay back.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. Not recording late today, but I kind of like the vibes.
See? Okay. How was your week?
My week was challenging. I think challenging. Esse é a minha answer, challenging.
Say so we can share.
No, pero
Bota
puntrami di conjoy, mi conta challenging.
Okay, di conjoy. Why was it challenging?
Mi ta kere mi sara make some tough decisions, or at least kumisa make some tough decisions. Dus mi sara sinta pensura to have tough conversations. Nada negativo op zich, gewoon mi ta kere period di transition de mi vida. Kami na mitigo maybe make some tough decisions. So is it doesn't take challenging, pero we bike.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm also the same for me.
Hey, mamire.
That was a challenging week. Cool, good parts in it, thank Dios. Pero for some reason the month has not been the easiest. Dus botanya bota take it day by day. Andas babasco e manera que dia by.
Some would say we are marching through March.
We are. Yeah.
No sé nada in background tá riendo. Angelo tá rindo nada. Say like it. It was a funny
audience,
joke. You think I'm not gonna tell jokes until this rim shot? Oh, it's over. Y'all should have never given me this.
Right.
Y'all should have never given me this. But see.
But no, happy to hear cool. You're taking it day by day as well.
See.
But so no, we might as well give up, and that's not the point.
That is true. We're never giving up. Never. Kino si Papa with Angel?
Today we are talking about collab. To collab or not to collab.
To collab or not to collab. Babudulo na suntik background di kong no sa kira Papa with you.
No, manera hope was we were on break. Pero while being on break, nasa do a lot of work with other people. There's a lot of collaborations.
Correcto.
Whether it's a pa nos Miss brand of pa hinin ng Miss ko to hire us in for our services. Dus nasa ta doing hopi sama working ko hinin ng lokal di Holanda.
Sí.
And nasa pensa por tata bung pa share también kita tanos experiencia. Kino sa sinya for the say kiko tabatanos likes and dislikes from those experiences.
Correcto. Sí. It's de um banda, não estou hopi grateful para collab. Não só tem negative experiences na collab tampouco, dus não tem nada salacious aqui bana. Toch gewoon first time venturing into collabing and to working with other people. It's a different experience to say the least. I think it's fair to say it's different. So for us with a costuma di trari baboso and to do things by yourself, I think a venture off into ti mas na din space aqui então kung nanta go about their business, kung nanta set up, kung nanta treat ng guests, ito ka rin nanta ting hope jams kung pura pick up, então ting siya kung nagnos bisa, we're definitely not gonna do that.
Sí. Eu também como de querer esse bating experiences nang kuta lost for OnBrand time lo ta great for mention say ding a conversation.
Sim.
So dun pa rin nanta ko na sa junto ku bati hene ku tama te doen ng perspectief die ervaring. Ku porta backbone up of manier basta no make me assim. Pero em certo momento ang ku samang ku nos no asi junto.
Sim.
Tama tem outra experience pero eu tá bata bem conta banda de do que boa mira of experiência. Me te quer também bisa.
Sim. Yeah. Se meu papa para mim mes, he collabs na usually ta buiten die OnBrand and to. Usually the music. Qual I've done some. No commit featuring on anybody's song, pero not yet. Book me, pero mas un question di mane working with producers or si costa sina. And me philosophy di OnBrand, me philosophy di collabs na bisa sa kita mesmo philosophy ko over to bayo na sukas. Right? Over bayo na sukas, bono que queda mucho largo. Paso eu bota overstay bo welcome. Sabi ka man?
Okay.
And pero boke leave on time to the point kami na tamane basta ko no. I would like to invite him back. I would like to invite him back. Dus men go or by some collab ko ende boke trata nang of approach the situation uma manera ku nalo ke collab ku batrobe. And I think is it my philosophy dus. Pa ku muziek ta met tot nu toe for the most part tayo na nang collab multiple times with, and from my experience tayo na nang ku milo ke collab ku na ganun nalo ke collab ku mi. So esa ita mi manera ku mita purba approach it. Pero for the most part esa ita a goal, but no te say te pasa turbes.
No.
Sí.
Me te quer sowieso também tá outro or betraag ko ene ko bakon self ko bating ervaring ko ne kapa bating ideia di ko na tra ko patra ko nang anto or batak ding completely new environment kami na we need you for this, come help us.
Sí.
Ando no konse naki no konse ko na trabo no saki bating ko hasi eta completely different experience. Me te quer our first form di collab usually ta gewoon ding groepswerk na middelbare school of na basis kami na bota trago 3-4 otro mucho más anto tas bastante que otro anto uiteindelijk wordt they get mad because es un nota doen dus banda anto bastante kick the person out of the group ding professional setting bono po has iko boting gewoon traken en ko boting ko traken ni.
Sí, correcto.
Vooral zit man paid work to hobby mas difícil ko bota man o mina de traken aqui. Do you want the money or not?
Do you want the money or not?
Toch.
Yeah.
Pero din say toch, it will leave bad taste ora ku ervaring no by manera boki.
Correcto.
Me te quer din sama man ko nos po mention ta ko nos tra no tay duna examples ni
Nah, say it with your chest, dog.
No, name names, pero ervaring ko nos ting junto ta ko nos ta get hired in paz si algo. Provide no services, no knowledge, no skills, whatever it is. And uiteindelijk ora nos sta on set pahasi essay nos doen nos opinion ni man hey popasi algo assim aqui.
Maybe we should do this based on experience.
Sí, based on nos sang hire nos inpa aqui. No nos esquece assim aqui. De humana, okay, I'm getting paid for this. This person is my quote unquote boss. The other banda, then why did you hire me in?
Also,
Sibo mis por así.
Facts. Sí. A main course que me te quero arranjar que bisa tá. Or bo hire gente para um trabalho. Se bo hire loodgieter para bem fix algo den bokas, no bise com etinco schroef schroef bijvoorbeeld of com etinco derecha sink. It's like si bota por así bo mes, you should have done it. Like let the people do their job. ese es main takeaway. Let the people do the job. Like, anto, no solamente say, pero also, si no lagami do mi job, anto bumibutrami después di kong enota sineke, ami, ta kumisa kushi, right? Me blood to boil. But so also I told you before, but you didn't want to listen. So here we are now with the subpar product. Anto, let me take it a step further. No solamente say, pero no solamente ta bo producto ku aboting awo, pero ta mi number tribe ko kewo. So I can't even go out to the world and, use it for my portfolio of visa. Ami hasi tal cost. So ena nang gustami yo, kinanta bibisa.
Okay, as in about the deliverable work.
See, which is not true, right?
No.
See, and that's very annoying. So, no solamente lagami as mi trabaho, but also lagami ting more business after this. No lagi ko kita bad experience kami na no solamente no dos on tevreden, so ami no laga abas logo buke, ami no poras i trabaho properly. Awo no dos tung produto shitty, abate kita ko ne malu and ami ko go into the world with this product, leaving this shitty product behind. That's awful. That's awful. That's a really bad experience. But and then I'm good professionals and good trying to at least help. So people deliver BS and leave tambe, but ultimately who wins?
The thing consequences nandi say.
Correcto. Who wins with this? Nobody.
Pero at the end like Kiko mani ko example ADSA. Kiko lobo two different of Kiko bo no ahasi ko lobo ahasi awaki.
I think one lesson kumita kere no sa sinya ta si we por saka van tevoren as much for the communication kubutasi towards the person about expectations and the producten kubusanda by deliver on the or on the base of voeren uit of on the post production bambisa side buta by ting less headaches. So van tevoren si we bisa bijvoorbeeld waksyon ang combo ke koki look sowieso moet ik leggen voor een client, right? Combo ke be koki look. Ito bisa abu mi ke be look ABC. Ero to bisa okay. Mito komende, nos vai assim nos best para nos assim ABC, pero industry standard of mané, kung eko kita supposed by based on my experience of the fact que hire me ta a CB. Anterior botingu kind of van tevoren purba explica anto kom e client tegemoet as much as possible, pas no solamente bol deliver een product kaminda nang te tevreden, pero tambe ta industry standard anto algo abote tevreden die deliver. I think as much as bopo has eko van tevoren, you should definitely do that. Pas eu to bana tambe ku si bosa no pag come to bosa deliberation and decision junto, then maybe this is not the best thing para nos hace walking junto. No ku bota si koi anto después ding a production may magico or bosa anta digging the hole kaba anto manisa no pero amita pensa boti ku dig a hole dem banda anto nanta manino boti un bayabo anto wait. But we're here now. So now we gotta dig the hole to China. What's something So that's what I would say.
Nakere pa poneribo lo ka kay bisita bita have these things written down. Ang kamina of thing improve the lo ke award bisa. So but mak mi kumane. Oh, nasa pa de ko kita? Oh, minta corda. Okay. And I would person to figure out it or kiko ta afspraak ko sa nga si hunto. Dus ziet u manier of otro patingon in een logboek of geen kuta hou bij to de afspraak ng of kubo meesta manier después die een meeting después die een opdracht. Hey, gispa recapitulalo con sa papio junto pating un confirmation from both sides.
Sí.
Pas ons say maak me ku bota traong geen pero ena not akkoord kun sa tra un afspraak sin aqui. Dus uiteindelijk, ik would look like, but ik kon nobo kami no sa papi about this kaba.
Sí, correct.
Pero nang tekorda, si tekorda sa baskibi, abo is goed, I'll get hired in, of ko abo dingo beneficiar di algo, si tekorda. Pero no tekorda koi, dus ik kaya man, Kiko. Okay. See, ik kaya man, abo tabi ko new information kami no to say about that. So, have algo written down. Sita ding WhatsApp, sita ding email, sita pigeon letter, whatever it is, ku the proof of what was ang papi about in person.
Mita kere sita algo ang gel topi bonenje. Write stuff down. I mean, not echt doen write stuff down person, but I mean, usually remember. Eko na good importante, pero bono ka trano boso, right? So you can't do that. So sita maneba bisa very smart and very great point ko ba make because Eu rin nos turpo, no também se vai criar opinião, di ba? Não, ama corre coque, não se escreve coque na, te para aqui não, sabe? Nothing really dispute about that. Ando se me se cambia, me está cambia basta di lo que nos escreve, não que basta di lo que neta pensa do corda, and all of this. I think esse é definitely bom ponto. Sim. For the boa experiences nang ku boa collabs nang, the solo collabs. Nós papi di nos, a mim su solo collabs, quote unquote, nos coisas que nós experience junto. Kiko abasinha for the boa solo collabs ku hende.
Yeah, me that mostly ding, I guess, arts and culture, I would say now. See? Dus me dat hoop ding teamverband. Nu kan me dat echt algo miso unless dat ku graphic design opdracht of freelance work.
Sim.
Of wanneer modeling work maybe. Pero di laki masinha dat ku 10 horas het gewoon trabaho. Like, dus no me zitten friends after this. Dus no me zitten my autos Instagram after this. It's just work, girl. We just come, clock in, clock out. En toen, de kere 10 horas lines na tagat blurred in tiki. Ku bata kere ke verwachting ku opa sono se trabalho com outro nos tinha amistad também. Se assim tá coco tá eta bira naturally, então pensa assim. Pero tinha hora para gewoon querer sei, tá gewoon de querer wapa wakta para não bira transactional relationship, se bono que sei. Pero de querer tinha né tá confused ku is samenwerking being assim na bom ku nos that automatically go from co-workers, because it's still even ku freelance work, it's still co-workers. Of temporary co-workers to friends.
2 questions. But kere is say the bindo di not having enough experience in the field. Dus paso ba costuma di kumisa tra ku friends, pero me ko ba asi bo business ba misa, ba costuma asi creative projects na ku friends and to walk about the venturing off into freelancing, but tinha expectation no abo pero me man a person that person A that maybe is doing the same thing. That's my first question.
Yes and no. Parce que friends no tinha hora tampoco não tá bem bom. Dus não po compare com pessoas da friends all the time. Não tem que ter begin, but by seeing bo miss boundaries nang tambe as you go.
Okay.
Kami na kumane, porta bata willing pa by have lunch ko hindi, pero not willing pa invite them to your house.
Okay.
Dus but assim a grens dan ding having those experiences with new people and new environments. Dan betekent dat we vanzelf ora kubo sa ki ora ungene ta friend ki ora ungene ta just it's a business partnership.
Yeah. Oh, but the kid is it any different of but the experience ko the most in creative world? So me te duda ko si ami tabas yung merger di bo banco is un banco a big bank to take a little bank. Anto nang tiyan ko di man no, pero may music about friend there. So that's not really how that works. That do ko ding a more financial world of in waste management of whatever nanti mesung issue a. But again, it's a different pasota the creative space until everyone has to kind of feel each other's vibe and to kind of be buddy.
If we're talking also about money, so hope be easy to open the grens. Like if you're gonna cost me money, then we're not friends. If you're going to help me make money, we could be friends.
But in any work situation, isn't that the case?
Sí, pero me quedé en creative. Paso, un poco te quedé un ongoing, like, but te quedé like but we're like a door open.
But we have a drop for that. But anyway, see.
No. There's like a door open for future collaborations. The probably ko otro trabaho tame, pero this is the creative work it un tiki mas ongoing of so, but they say some people talk about that. So the experience thing or the kako retail, for example.
But the maybe work with me in the papia, me to feel like a creative world, but the deal must stand to go hinde their feelings, their passion projects. Like the product is more tied to the person and their feelings.
It's business to business, brand to brand type work. And it's un otro nanta business to consumer.
Okay.
But to work together for like pa otro hine, if that makes sense. There's un bank A ko bank B work together And they work together, pero uiteindelijk, ng product dapat otro hindi. Dapat na miss, if that makes sense.
Okay. Sige ko ba redenering? I'm trying to find where you're going with this.
I don't know if there's more. I don't know if there's more.
Mitag ko mandigo ba man, pero si Mima sa buy back to my point. No ko minuta eens, because bitag kaya lagwa bisa tong fate gewoon. Pero a business di a bank, like my king na deliver products, has nothing to do with personality, how you feel about. There's nothing about that. Pero si ami que tra un album bijvoorbeeld, die tra con persona, die tra con producer, ultimately a product is my feeling. Like whatever me the rap of sing is my feeling. So si me te sinto man dang, ma connect ke persona ke on this beat or whatever, like me te feel like me te mas geneigd die man no, but that's my homie though, because on that song that she or he or they produced for me, I was bawling but something I was it's different cool. See me say, hey, no, actually I'm gonna take this product from you, bank A, bank B. Like I don't care what you do at home, I don't care how you feel, because nothing about yourself as a person is tied to this product that the bank is offering. It has nothing to do with nothing. I think it's either different. Or what the basic deal ko is feelings. Mira kere, whatever person is feeling, the mas inclined to have an effect, whether that be positive or negative, into the relationship. Paso yung produkto tama that tied to who the person is and the good feeling about what dan ook, isa tayo kind of muddy the waters. That's what I feel. Think. This is my theory. Like I said, simterobes, I'm wrong. Teach me.
Yeah, I can see that. Pero no sé si that depende type of work también. But so ngayon ko si man retail, is there feelings involved?
I don't think so. Pero depende como te mira retail. So maybe si ama design produkto, ama começa a vender, mas design mi shirt, ama começa a vender diferente for a persona que tu está vender para mim. Dos diferentes coisas.
Okay.
Como que man? So nós dentro de creative space acaba caminha. No, ama tra shirt aqui, paso dia me tem 5 anos, me tata ko fa say, ba mi lamang anto, me ko kita ko rami wave. That's different from, oh no, ami tatra na ha naman to, I'm slinging shirts. Sabi ka man, I don't care how you feel, dog. I'm trying to sling these shirts. It's different.
Yeah. Okay.
Completely different. That's how that's in the middle.
And what I notice the difference between collaborate ko Hindi Caribe a few years so collaborating ko Hindi na Holanda. Hindi di Holandês.
Tem certain commonalities que tam hoping mas apparent. Paso nós being from the same area, same space. Nós share hoping mas experiences in the past and in was that current times. Kuya na di ABC de say sowieso tong rol. Pero hindi nang mitasin di man Holandês nang ting não importa hope zakelijk. But I also expect body by bottle ko nang after work. Was like it's like, wait, so it's business, but also but you go by bottle ko it's like see, it's like okay, but how so nata bisabo di mo karaman no, that was trash. You need to do this better. But also after work, let's go get a beer. I mean, no tingnan by baby ko bumas. You hurt my feelings. I don't want to do this anymore. So like they're very good at that. Kung natong slide, nah, that's fire. If we as ABCers po siya, kung tatinis ko sakalig, bisabi ko demo cara, but also by baby kubo, that's fire. I feel like we will be ill.
So we don't.
No.
Of minata ervar ko we do.
No.
Ervar guys ko manin, nos patume ko pinakurasong, anto ko manin, nam tetrake ni mas.
Si.
Paso do na manin. Porta no bong feedback, pero I'd like feedback.
Si.
Ando nota feedback.
Nota paso nos no patuma feedback bong. Ta kung paso mi sin naman other side kung mabesa di nos ketong community, nos kita bong ko otro. They kind of have the money. This is that, and this is this.
That. Yeah.
We mix it together, and that's a beautiful thing because that's why mi sin naman nos culture tas na rich. Ando nos po convey to get it, nos feelings and to recone hobby bong in the sense di nos art and to nos products pero ora ekoi bira dicey eta bira hopi dicey tam. And I mi po as ekoi un style because you kind of have to see what we beginang na Holanda pero enota hopi En otun cosco, me te quiere más sali con for the corso in my case. Maybe por mi personality, maybe un tique sina, me bobi sabon ko to also kera bon kubo. Maybe pa mi tu tique más fácil, pero I could understand kung ese ito, obi man labi sa me ko, pero ko to expect me to bebe ko ne. It's like,
Pero
yeah.
bata hanya buta merge bu cultures ng time in Holanda. De qual se ta
True.
lo que bata bin kunie foi corso, pues no sabe de corso so. Lo que bata bin kunie de corso ando lo que bata sinha aqui na Holanda. Ku
Sí.
bo tabo miss ainda kinana pero pa bo pai dilante te ko a certain point batin ku toch adaptable miss na certa coisa ku nang ta assim. De
Sí.
qual aceita ding I guess work culture ta ku nanto be direct. They just tell you how it is. Ito zakelijk a walkie, pero bang kome ba schrijf na Facebook display.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
Like, mabing for un camino kung ko may bami. Di kong crowd mi tabi sa kung may bami schrijf. That's nuts to me.
Pero bota sim ora time pa subata but get put ding positions nang or bota collab ko train
Sí.
ko ta hulande.
That's true.
Ku bota mi tanya ko si boke receive and respect back ko abota dun ano nang bota unintentionally bota nga bota si.
Sí.
And nota by contra de king wata como persona meta juist
Sí.
when fortify king abota como persona. So bata bing good dos culture ora ding uno.
Sí, me te quiere ese the case. Ese un episode me creo que así like to adapt or not adapt.
You do adapt. To adapt or not adapt. No, not by kero un caminho.
Or you don't. And that's where the conversation would lie. What happens if you don't? Why do I have to adapt? Like, me po combo and nabi sa no, I'm here to get whatever me mistake for the and then I'm gonna leave. But me no miss adapt, me no miss by come bami schrijf, me no miss by bottle. I don't like to do none of that. What if I don't want to do that?
Pero na bing ngene su país ato despe expect ko kung adapt na abo. See the majority that has
ora nambay korso sinang tasiye.
We'll be right back.
By the way, drop un freestyle about that. Go check my IG out. Yeah.
No, good point. We'll have the conversation when we need to.
That's a good conversation to have.
Ito unko si pa work wise kubating ko hasi. I feel like si buki get taken seriously and the bubble voice be heard. Things spaces coming ako not about other people that look like you. Kutam tong conversation itself about collabing. Most cases they're not. But about the uniko thing a room up until more people decide to take initiative and to do making a world kubatain. And then mi probably say about arts and culture, pero no sé si para decir mesmo com a medicina, pero mesmo com pena que tá em tech, para mesmo com pena que tá em lei, pero no Holanda, depende qual sabe bata dentro também, you will probably be the only person for a while. Então ba dali mas mane, hey, bata ikasaw, oh, cousins, yeah.
That's true. Maneno sta sera tu nos topics nang 3 tips, the collab or not collab. What do you got for the people?
Bang amanom. Okay.
Well, I mean to bring it back to the beginning. Trata collabs manera bo tabi esta visit un hene su kas. Boke pa nang evitable back, act accordingly. Si bono ke pa nang evitable back, act accordingly. That's what I have to say. Like, si boto man, I'm actually gonna treat this person awfully. Pa nang every time I'm back for this, I'm gonna do that. If that's your goal, voral. Pero si boke trake na ki back, act accordingly pa nang sinti pa nang bosaki ko no. Tal persona, I really show me a good time until me do ke trake persona ki back. That's number 1.
Okay.
Number 2.
The second one, the log bo progress. Log bo meetings, log bo process, progress, all the things. Kubating manera ko pa look back, trace back to what was said, what happened, what will be said in the future. But miss security, safety, and for summer working with other people.
Sí. Number 3, I would say to be prepared. Being preparado. But whatever me sita. Sita, por me meeting, sita e dia di shoot, sita dia di hace cos, sita me ask one question, ta as prepared as you can because it'll help in the future. So ito do na mas confidence di man, oh, I know what I'm talking about. Or maybe you do know what you're talking about, but in that specific situation, bo ta run blank because bo not do any prep. So si bo pa si prep, Así van tevoren. Papa no me se llega na idea anto bota basha awa man in de bisa.
¿Qué?
Basha awa, see toch? Shonang, busans man, the background I don't know what you're talking about.
The people behind the camera are like, no,
basha awa, see.
no.
Kabing basha awa. Sige man, you failed.
Okay.
See.
Learning something new every day.
I'm pretty sure if I'm wrong, please tell me in the comments.
And that's on the Analytics. Yeah.
Correcto. She would know.
She would know.
She would know. Anyway, artist of the week.
Artist of the week.
Creative of the week, sorry.
Creative of the week.
Creative of the week.
Let's nominate the one, the only Miss Rudina Gomez. Yeah.
There we go. See, my fail. My muted channel, per se. Anyway.
Okay. See, no, our former producer, our former editor,
current friend.
Current friend. Nos que nominate her para Creative of the Week. Why? Because she has been doing great jobs behind the scenes. Oops.
Facts.
Portanto, está con nos más here at OnBrand Podcast, but she's still doing great things. Iba sumidas como producer, como writer, como director, como friend. So, it's important to bring your people along with you. And so please go follow her on all her socials. Por keep up with what she's doing in the audiovisual world.
Facts. Pahakan untiki Angela bisa. Sing Rudina not in OnBrand Podcast. There would not be OnBrand Podcast, but so letterlijk etatin na kumsamento. And etatin expertise mas tanto on the production side. Those thing only ideas. And etatin okay, this is actually how you actually execute until get to where you need to get to. At the band they say dame amilo no sa konta edit. So that see, really a pasa ding stroof kumi bambisa paku editing because I mean sowieso met a koppig until on the no deep trust in so expertise. It hope you trust me into the expertise because I don't agree with this, but she was like, no, this is how you do that. This shout out to her. And we'll salomire soon on the pod again.
Yes.
Because she has her story to tell. What she's doing and why she's doing it.
Because we had beef and then she needs to tell her side of the story.
No. She tells her... No, we didn't have beef. We had a very flourishing, fruitful relationship on the pod side. Until business was parte ainda, toch? Of no?
Yeah, true.
So it doesn't have to be negative.
True.
She's gonna tell her story, guys. Ding. Anyway. Nos tune pa vos natin, you know how we like to end the pods. Isa kita Buscando Amor by Jay and to the one and only legend of the show, Kev.
Legend.
Isa ko siya, gusto sa akin. Sa akin siya sa nila vibe too.
I do.
So that yung pare way that book dicey. Pero justo sa nos not prepare this. At least nito bisan siya kinos tende. I just kind of play something,
I don't know.
and she kind of gotta react in real time, which is on brand. So isa kita Buscando Amor. There we go. Hey. Essa aqui tá fora do seu álbum Kuyama Love Stories, sacada 2023. Album Dingbo, telefone award aqui. New old music. See, ze benoten dit nieuw, but it's really old.
Op de dag dat ik je vind, baby, word jij mijn queen en ik je king, baby. Ze zeggen liefde maakt blind, baby. Ze zeggen liefde maakt blind, maar all I see, jij bent all I see. De player die ik was, zeg ik R.I.P. All I need, baby, all I need is real love, baby. Amor, amor, buscando amor.
Into different languages. Maar zo eens kapot voor, je feel?
Malaga bien tu pisami na
Okay, tell him.
contra pavo. Grabo de mi sonho me por olvidavo. Sperare un dia mi lo incontravo, miravo, pisavo, cubo, ora ti mi ma di volto, mare portavo in vez, mare mi postari mi rodato in gel. Sotto io smita busca amor.
Last two chorus lang. Usan sa kaba. Follow nos. Like, subscribe, comment. Follow Angel. Hire Angel. Put some money in her pockets. You know the vibes. Basta kita ba the OnBrand Podcast. Amita ba the Angel.
Love the dream.
And to
See you next time. Bye.